Now, this is a perfect connection if you're going to be traveling, because look at this. It's very small, convenient, and it's all tied up, and it comes with its own rubber band, so you can actually put it together. I'm going to take it up. And what you guys see, first of all, you get 3 USBs type A's, if you can see. One connection for 3-prong connection, and then you get another one, a third one right here, a second one actually, right here, hidden in here. So I'm going to unwrap it. And look at this. This is very convenient. It's very thin, if you guys can see this. So if it's in back of any sofas or pretty much anywhere, it's not gonna be an obstacle or anything. Very good, very convenient. So let's go ahead and unwrap this. 3 USBs to charging stations, and then 1 connection, 3-prong connection, and then a second one here, which is a 2-prong connection. So all right, so check this out. I got pretty much my watch coming out of there, charging. All right, it's charging out of here. I got another USB charging the actual iPad, and then my phone, and then of course I'm playing games with my Steam Deck, and I have it connected here, and I have an extra connection just in case I need it. So this is really convenient. All my devices are coming out from one connection. I don't have to worry about it. I could take this anywhere on the travels. Very simple, easy to use. I hope you guys enjoy the video. 99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful, and I hope you hit the like and subscribe.